In this video, what I wanted to talk about is how you can actually feel good inside. So what can you do to create your own positive emotions and just feel better in general? And what I'm going to give you are some things that have actually been scientifically validated. So we've done extensive testing and we know for a fact that these things actually worked. So here it is. It's gratitude. It's using positive memories and using that and leveraging that to allow yourself to experience more positive emotions. All you have to do is just pick three things that you're really grateful for. And that's really the only hard bit, that you actually have to think of three things that you're grateful for. This is what I do every single morning. I pick three small things. I think about why they're good, why I enjoy them, and why they make me feel good. And I sit with that emotion. I try and stay in there because we have a tendency to look at something negative, take it in, and then think about it over and over again. And if you can do that same thing with positive memories, positive emotions, you can create your own positive emotions and you can start to feel good on the inside. And Dr. Rick Hanson, who's written an awesome book called The Buddha's Brain, he talks about this. And he says if you can just do this, just start this exercise of thinking of things you're grateful for and really focusing on them, it starts to restructure the way you think. And you start to take in more of the positive experiences and less of the negative. So all you have to do is just, when you wake up, just think of something that you're grateful for. And it could be anything. I do things like, I'm happy I have shoes. I'm happy I have a nice floor to sit on. I'm happy I had a good coffee. The coffee was nice. It's things as small as that, but it retrains your brain to think in a more positive way. You start actively looking for things that are positive and taking more of those in. And in doing so, you start to change how you feel on the inside. You become more likely to think positive thoughts, and you become more likely to take in the positive in your environment. This is something that has been so powerful to me. I used to have such a negative way of looking at things, and really the biggest thing I did was just be grateful for what I already had, which is tough. If you don't have a lot right now, it's tough. It's a challenge to actually dig down deep and think of something that you're really grateful for. That is difficult, but that's part of the challenge. So that's it for me. This is James from Mind Unlimited. Try out the gratitude. I'm sure it will help you. It's really helped me out. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next time.